Enabling or disabling System Haptics on your iPhone 15 allows you to customize the tactile feedback you receive when interacting with various system controls and interfaces, enhancing or simplifying your user experience. Here's how it's done.
First, return to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen.
From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, scroll down and tap on System Haptics. To enable or disable this feature, tap the toggle switch next to System Haptics.
When enabled, your iPhone will play haptic feedback for various system controls and interactions.
Once you've made your selection, tap the back button to return to Settings. Alternatively, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. And that's all there is to this guide. Subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.